So the big news what we have right now is some home price analysis just came out, and it says right through here, this is today, April 29th. Home prices growth stalls again in February with January print revised down, S&P Case-Shiller Index says. So if you go down through here, and a lot of people yesterday when the Zillow news came out that, prices are starting to go down, I think a lot of those crash people were like, yeah, I'm finally right, but is it really right? Well, let's get over to this thing. Home prices grew 0.5% month over month in February, holding steady from January's increases, which was revised from plus 0.5 according to the Case-Shiller Index of the top 20 cities. On a non-seasonal adjusted basis, home prices accelerated to 0.7, all the way up to 0.7 from earlier. The Case-Shiller Index of HPI for 20 cities rose 4.5% compared to 4.6% for the consensus and 4.7% for prior. So if you watched yesterday's video, there was an analysis by CNBC, Diane Olick, and she came in and she said, okay, she listed all these cities throughout the whole country of where prices are going, and they had Austin, Texas down 22%. I can't find that data anywhere. So I did a report last night. If you're in Austin or care about that, check out this video right through here. But Austin, Texas, I couldn't find, the furthest down I think I found was maybe minus 7%, and it's still negative, but nowhere close to being minus 22%. So wasn't able to find that data. But if you go down through here, let's look at some other big cities. We have New York. It's up 7.7% year over year. Chicago, right where I am, and people were saying, houses are crashing everywhere, folks. Well, not here in Chicago because we're up 7%. Cleveland up 6%. Tampa, on the other side, the poster child of the crashing, is down 1.5%. So this is Case-Shiller. This is a report that we follow each time they post it. And I think this is, most people follow this because it's very reputable. So a lot of the other data that you get out there, I don't know where it's coming from. We try to dissect that. But if you're really trying to focus in on buying a house in your area, please watch me daily, get prepared for the financing piece, and make sure you reach out to a realtor in your area. Yeah, your area that you're looking to buy, and get a good realtor that knows the market and can guide you in the best path you can take. A lot of the crasher people, they're realtors, but I don't know why they come out every day telling you how stupid you are if you buy and how bad prices are going to go. So I'm not sure if I'd reach out to one of them if I'm looking to buy a house. Just thoughts. Okay, so let's get over to this. Now let's look at some earnings reports because we want to look at this to see if tariffs are really crashing all companies in the S&P 500 and basically in the stock exchange. So let's just go over to yesterday's earnings reports because the goal, my focus here is to help you guys understand the economy, the equity markets, the bond markets, and all this ties into these things right through here. So there's a reason why I go through all these, because what happens is if you start seeing equities doing really, really, really well, you're going to see people moving out of equities or out of bonds and back into equities again.